Hello everyone, it's Piano Day. Today we're going to work on hand coordination. Some might call it hand independence. Left and right hand independence, meaning your right hand is doing something and your left hand is doing something else. Okay? But in reality, you're just coordinating both hands, fingers. So first step is synchronizing first. Let's go to C, middle C, right hand. C, D, E, F, G, 5 fingers. Okay, this is the middle C. This is the bass C. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we call this the C position. We're gonna play C, both C's, but fingers are different. Your left hand is playing pinky. Your right hand is playing the thumb. Okay, so, and then we're going up. And then next finger, next finger, next finger, next finger, and then going down. Okay, so I can't say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for both of them because the right hand is doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your left hand is doing 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we'll just call it next finger, okay? Again, 5 and 1 finger. Next finger up, next finger up, next finger up, next finger, finger down, down, next finger down. There you go. Okay, practice that, spend time with that, okay? Now we're gonna play both fingers, 1, but this time your thumb, right hand thumb is on middle C. Your thumb is, or left hand thumb is on G. Now we're gonna play opposite. Okay, it's the opposite direction. My right hand is going up, my left hand is going down. One more time. There you go. Okay, spend time with that. Next, now this is where counting really helps when you're coordinating hands on the piano, okay? So we're gonna count 8 notes on the right hand and on the left hand. 1, 2, we're gonna count quarter notes on the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, like that, okay? And then right hand, that's where we count 8 notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Okay? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Left hand quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And when you combine it, both hands, you're counting 8 notes on the right hand, you're counting quarter notes on the left hand. It will sound like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Okay, so the right hand is faster. Now to play it, to master that, think of one end, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Okay? You can also practice it that way. Okay? We're gonna reverse roles now. Left hand is counting 8 notes. Your right hand is counting quarter notes only. So it will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay? Left hand, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Now we have to coordinate them now. Together, they will sound like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So to focus on that, the numbers are on your right hand. 1, and then the end, you add an end here. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. That's it, okay? Then you spend time with that, practice that. Then we combine those two exercises before where the right hand is faster And then the next one, which is the left hand, is faster without stopping, like this. 2 and 3. Like that, okay? So that's kind of a mental focus thingy going on there. So practice that. But again, spend time with each exercises separately. First master them, and then attempt to do that both exercises, combining them without stopping. But of course, you practice it with a slow tempo, not as fast as I did. It's just for time's sake, okay, for this video. So that's the first step for hand coordination. Now I have a bonus. If you have time, we'll try counting triplets or a three feel triplets on each hand. It means 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. My left hand is just counting 8 quarter notes again, but my right hand is counting threes or triplets. 1 triplet, 2 triplet. So that's another exercise, okay? So let's try counting four times, but we have triplets on the right hand. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 1. Okay? So that's for the right hand. And then you do the same thing on the left hand, triplets also on the left hand, quarter note on the right hand. So it'll sound like this: 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 1. There you go. And then combine those exercises without stopping. Okay, that's your first step for hand coordination. Some might call it, like I said, some call it hand independence. Either way, same effect. Okay, so keep on practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck.